Hey guys, it's CooperCodes, and today I'm going to be finishing Blackjack. So a late upload today, but still doing it. It's day 18, I believe. So this is a 2-hour coding session. One of my longer ones. I was really just dedicated to getting this Blackjack thing done with. So, and I did finish it. Spoiler warning. So you can kind of see what I do, the process. Yeah, this is going to be a long video, but I'll just keep on talking about what I'm doing. So right now I'm just messing with the .give card. I'm messing with the hand 2-string, so I'm able to show what the person's hand is in the console. What else am I doing here? Yeah, string. I'm making it so you get multiple cards, what I just did there. Multiple cards in your hand. What else do I do? Looking around. I'm get card to deck for the dealer because I had dealer get card, which returned a card for the dealer, but it didn't put it inside the dealer's deck. So I had to get a thing that actually puts in the deck. So I didn't really use my Trello board. I kind of already knew what to do. Maybe for like larger projects I'll use the Trello board more often, but for this, I'm chilling. Honestly, I'm fine. I never felt like I was confused at a certain point of what to do. So here I'm starting the run game method. Here's evaluate hands method. I'm pretty sure I end up ditching this guy. I think it turned up to like get eval or something, like simpler. This wrote down some basic blackjack rules here. Okay, so while dealer, so yeah, it's kind of hard to even like say what I'm doing right now because I just keep on doing a bunch of stuff, and then some of it gets a cut, some of it doesn't get cut. So originally I had a run game and then run round, but then I just did the run round by itself. So you'll see what I'm doing here. The dealer currently has. Yeah, there we go. So to start, I'm getting the dealer's getting a card in their deck. I'm printing what the dealer has. Then the player is getting a card in their deck, and I'm printing what the player has. And then I'll say to the player, "Do you want to hit?" See if they want to hit again. If they do, I give them another card. If they don't, yeah. If they don't, then I continue to the dealer getting stuff, to the while loop. Yeah. Yeah, so what else do I end up doing here? So I wanted a function only for the get response, so the response of the person. So for example, this one is, "Do you want to hit?" So then I'll just see what that function returns, and I did some recursion there. So the recursion is it's going to return yes, or it's going to return no, or it's going to ask the person again, "Do you want to hit?" So if only y or n are the only two valued things, or else it goes recursion for the rest, for like forever, until the computer runs out of memory. But yeah. So yeah. I'm actually recording this at 6:55 p.m. PST. So yeah, and yeah, like you just saw there, I've been streaming everything on Twitch. So yeah, that's that. While response is equal to yes. Okay. Take a little break here. I'm pretty sure. I just did like a long period of programming, so I'd take a break. I probably could edit this out, but really how I edit my videos is I set the time to really fast, and then I just watch a video and talk about things that seem interesting. It's more of a diary than like an actual video, to be honest. So I'm just right now I'm just testing out the printing what the player has. Printing what the dealer currently has, all that good stuff. So you can see that the window is getting a prompt that says, "Do you want another hit?" And then you can actually get the response to that prompt by setting a variable equal to the prompt of that. So that was a pretty cool thing I learned. And you can always have like the response be equal to something else, like for example, like equal to the what's inside of a text box right now, or inside of a text box, or anything really. So I kind of get into the meatier parts here, just testing the dealer's hand, the player's hand. Here's the ace stuff I did. I think I got the ace on the first try. It was like, if they bust, check for the aces, and then take down their value depending on how many aces there are. That's pretty much what I did. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, this code's getting a little thicker here. Player busted. Yeah. And if you're interested in getting this code, join the Discord. I put the code in there before. This isn't the best code you'll see in your entire life because I am still a beginner, but you know what? It works, so. Obviously, working is not all that matters, but for now, in a beginner tutorial project, I would say it's all that matters. I'll start getting into the harder stuff on my deeper projects. And it's not like there's lots of complexity here. So yeah, I was testing out the different things a player has, dealer has. So everything was kind of response oriented in the entire program. So it would look at the response, and based on a certain response, it would go to a certain action. Or while a certain response stays true, it would keep on repeating an action. For example, getting a player's card would keep on repeating that action. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. This video is pretty freaking long, so yeah, that's that. So then I end up making a compare scores, or revisiting the compare scores thing. So this is just saying who wins is pretty much what I'm writing in the compare scores, who is the winner of the game. I was doing unique strings, but then I ended up as a smarter idea to do false and true and false. So you'll see here, comparisons equal true. Yeah, you can just see the code. And I didn't do a money system, but it would have not been that hard to implement. Especially because everything is object oriented. It would just be, the money would be attached to an object that's global, so you could access it anywhere, just be adding and subtracting from a value. So I didn't really see lots of value in actually doing that, so I decided not to do it. I feel like I kind of learned what I wanted to learn there. Alright, cool. So eventually it gets to the part where the game's actually running. I didn't put it in a CodePen because it's not like you can see your console. Or I tried to put it in a CodePen, you'll see I run into an issue. And I found this cool CodePen, kind of looked like an interesting thing made in JavaScript. Some other cool stuff. Alright, so that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's me sending the code. It's all done. Alright, thanks for watching.